Hi there everyone, Bob Edwards here, taking his daily exercise. I'm going to take you back to where I did a video at the start of my nature photography channel, Cutthroat Lane, to see what's about. I was reading today in my NIKKOR magazine, which I'd like to thank Emily for, my daughter, who subscribed for me, and I get that every month. It was a birthday present, much appreciated, Emily. And they were saying about what to do for photographers during this time. It's difficult to get out. Lots of stuff you can do in the house. You can start to get onto your editing, which is quite important, and try some new things with your files. If, like me, I've got 3 hard drives full of it, and I use the my Nikon Capture. I did used to use Lightroom and Photoshop, but it got a little bit expensive for what I wanted to do, so I used the Nikon Capture. Lots of people out walking. As long as you keep your 2 meters distance, I think we'll be safe. So we carry on and see what we can find. Bit of a recon mission to see if I can find anything that I can come back to. I think what I'm going to try to do is try to get out early every morning. That might be better. And in the afternoon, then it don't disturb anyone, and I'm all on my own. But going back to the magazine, what I read is that about what we should do as photographers. Fortunately, photographers are lonely people in a way, because they go out on their own. Not always, but most of the time. So as long as you're going on your little exercise every day, just take your camera with you, just in case. Okay, so let's carry on with the walk. Okay, I primarily started my nature photography channel because previously I used to live in Thailand for over 21 years, and great place for street photography, fabulous, and of course nature photography, wildlife. Well, my specialism was in street photography, and I do have a channel out, Robert Edwards. Have a look on there if you're interested in street photography. Gives you some tips, gives you some insight into street photography. But since I returned to the UK about 3 years ago, to go out in the streets, so I took up nature photography. So we're moving along now, not far away from the entrance to the Cutthroat Lane. It's a beautiful day. Well, it has been a beautiful day. A bit windy, but it's been quite nice. Okay, let's carry on. Coming to the entrance now. If you've seen my other video, like I said earlier on, we've been up here before, but the weather's changed a little bit more. I've got my Nikon D300 today with a 55 300mm lens. I've set the ISO on auto. White balance is on auto. I'm using between 750 and 1000 shutter speed, and I'm keeping the aperture as wide as I can on this one, which is sometimes 4.556. But we'll just see what's going on up here. I'm hoping that we might see some rabbits. There's lots of birds, but the problem I find with the birds in their natural environment, rather than being staged at home with my feeding station, is that the birds come to it, and they actually recommend that the birds come to you rather than you go and chase them. I find that's a good bet. I was hoping we could get some, there we go, some nice bird song in the background as we take this little walk up the lane, up Cutthroat Lane. I love this walk, one of my favourite walks, apart from going to Ladies Pool. What I might do, as soon as we come into a bit of open space by the farmer's field, I might just take a few moments just to have a look to see what's going on, and hopefully we might see some rabbits and a few other animals just darting around. I've just managed to capture a bird. Relatively new to bird photography, and but I am learning. I'm getting my books out as soon as I take a picture of a bird. If I'm not 100%, if I'm not sure at all, I go into a book and hopefully find out what it is. That was quite sweet. There's the other. The bumblebees are out as well, so you can tell spring is here. Weather's great. Nice stretch of the legs. Hopefully try and find something about. Going past the golf course, which is on my right. I'm not sure if there's anybody playing golf. I don't know whether you can. I suppose if you go out there and play on your own, I suppose you're okay. I'm not sure, I can't see anybody. Yeah, this time of year, this golf course, this is Churchill Breakdown Golf Club. It's usually packed. Of course, but the tree line is just fabulous. Really nice. Gorgeous view of the golf course. The crowd just flying up over there. It's a lovely course. I've never played it myself. It's 9 holes. sounds of the birds. Didn't get many pictures of them, mind you. Hopefully they'll come out that I took. So I think what I'm going to do, I've got a helicopter over there. Flying in a funny pattern. Yeah. I don't know what they're doing. There's some butterflies around as well. No rabbits, but still, nice walk. I'm going to head back. I'm going to come down, go back down the same way. If you like what you've seen, and hopefully you will view and have a look at my other videos on the channel. Nature photography. Come back and take another look, see what's coming up. We're in a lockdown situation with measures, but as long as you're prepared to, when you see someone, is just move out the way, everything's fine. So I'm going to make my way back home now. So take care, be safe.